Your car's engine is a marvel of moving metal, operating under intense heat and pressure. Every second, pistons race up and down, and all these parts rely on one thing: engine oil. Engine oil isn't just a fluid, it's the lifeblood of your engine. Grabbing the cheapest oil off the shelf might seem harmless, but it's a costly mistake. Cheap, low-quality oils lack the additives and strength to protect your engine under stress. When these oils break down, they can turn into sludge, clogging vital oil passages and starving parts of lubrication. This leads to friction, overheating, and catastrophic engine damage, sometimes requiring a full replacement. Early warning signs are subtle ticking noises, a flickering check engine light, or reduced power. By the time you notice, the damage is often done. That's why it's crucial to use a high-quality oil that meets your car's specifications. Don't cut corners. Protect your engine and your wallet by choosing the right oil. When it comes to my vehicles, I trust AMSOIL, a brand built on engineering and proven results. AMSOIL pioneered synthetic motor oil and continues to lead with advanced formulas and rigorous testing. Their synthetic oils are engineered for extreme heat, cold, and long drain intervals, outperforming conventional oils in every category. The data is clear. AMSOIL protects engines better, lasts longer, and improves efficiency. For anyone who values their car, AMSOIL is a smart investment in long-term performance and peace of mind. Engine oil does three essential jobs: lubricates, cools, and cleans. First, it forms a protective film between moving metal parts, preventing friction and wear. Second, it absorbs and carries away heat from areas coolant can't reach, keeping engine temperatures in check. Third, it cleans by suspending soot, carbon, and metal particles, thanks to special detergents and dispersants. Without these functions, engines would overheat, seize, or fill with damaging sludge. Cheap oils may lubricate at first, but often fail to cool and clean over time. High-quality synthetics excel at all three jobs, maintaining protection from one oil change to the next. That's why oil quality matters so much. Don't settle for oil that only does part of the job. Choose oil that protects, cools, and cleans every mile every day. Your engine's life depends on it. In the oil aisle, you'll see two main choices: conventional and synthetic. Conventional oil is refined from crude petroleum, but it's full of inconsistent molecules and impurities. Synthetic oil is engineered in a lab with pure, uniform molecules that flow better and resist breakdown. This means better protection against wear, more stability under heat, and longer intervals between changes. Synthetic oil keeps engines cleaner and running longer, even in extreme conditions. While it costs more upfront, it saves money by extending engine life and reducing repairs. Modern engines demand this level of performance. For longevity, efficiency, and peace of mind, synthetic oil is the clear winner. Don't let price alone guide your choice. Think long-term. Protect your investment with synthetic. Your engine will thank you. Let's bust 3 common engine oil myths. Myth 1. All oils are the same. Not true. Synthetic and conventional oils differ in quality, additives, and performance. Myth 2. You must change oil every 3,000 miles. Modern synthetics and engines often go 7,500, 10,000, or even 15,000 miles between changes. Check your manual. Myth 3. Thicker oil is always better. Using oil that's too thick for your engine can cause poor flow, especially at startup, and lead to increased wear. Always use the viscosity and grade recommended by your manufacturer. Don't rely on outdated advice. Follow your owner's manual and use quality oil. The right oil and interval protect your engine and save money. Myths can cost you in repairs and performance. Stay informed, and your engine will last longer. Trust science, not rumors. Quality oil and correct maintenance are your best defense. Your dipstick is a window into your engine's health. Check oil level with the engine off and car on level ground. Fresh oil is amber, darkening is normal, but milky or coffee-colored oil signals coolant contamination. See a mechanic immediately. Smell the oil? A strong gasoline odor means fuel dilution, while a burnt smell signals overheating or oil breakdown. Rub the oil between your fingers. Gritty texture means metal wear or filter failure. These quick checks can catch problems early and prevent major damage. Make it a habit to check your oil monthly. It takes a minute and can save you thousands in repairs. Don't ignore what your oil is telling you. Stay proactive. Your engine's life depends on it. Small checks now prevent big problems later. Choosing the right oil starts with your owner's manual. Follow the recommended viscosity and standards. Always pick a full synthetic from a trusted brand like AMSOIL for best protection. Replace the oil filter every time you change the oil. Don't reuse old filters. Gather basic tools: wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel and rags. Warm up the engine, then drain the old oil and remove the filter. Prep the new filter with a dab of oil on the gasket, install it snugly and add the new oil. Start the engine briefly, then check the dipstick to confirm the level. Dispose of used oil responsibly at a recycling center. Changing your own oil saves money and connects you to your car's health. It's a simple process that pays off in reliability. Don't cut corners. Use quality oil and filters every time. Protect your investment with proper maintenance. Your engine will reward you with years of trouble-free driving. Engine oil is the most important fluid for your car's survival. It lubricates, cools, and cleans. Neglecting it risks your engine's life. Investing in a premium synthetic like AMSOIL pays off with longer engine life, fewer repairs, and better performance. Don't just rely on service shops. Check your oil monthly and know what your car needs. Even if you don't change it yourself, being informed ensures your engine gets the best care. Your car gives you freedom and reliability. Repay it with proper maintenance. Start with the basics. Use the right oil, follow the schedule, and stay proactive. Don't wait for warning lights or strange noises. Protect your engine before problems start. Quality oil is a small investment for big returns. Your engine and your wallet will thank you.